Perception by TANYA SHATSEVA. Version 3 Special Treatment has a whole lot of sparkle. We start off with electric diamonds that we have placed on the lightest areas in the picture, and that would be on the glass of her glasses on the front part, together with a bit of the frame. We also have placed electric diamonds right over here, and also in some specks in the areas that appear white, or as white as possible. So place the electric diamonds on the lightest areas. And then for version 2, we have gold crystals. These are the yellow special beads that we see over here as well as there, and some also over here. So sprinkle those in the yellow areas. And finally, for vermilion crystals, we use that for version 3 that we have sprinkled on the red areas on this picture. So we've got vermilion on her lips, on her tongue, and also on her cheeks. And of course, since she multiplies into several versions, we've placed those in all of the multiples of the image. So have fun with it. Enjoy conducting your special treatment on this painting. Once again, for Perception by TANYA SHATSEVA, we've got electric diamonds, gold crystals, and vermilion crystals.